Cut! There we go. Find your spot. Whoa. There we go. Cover. When you get over there when you're set. There we go. Hold up. Car. Get on your way. Through the door. There we go. Nice job. Good. Get them up. Go. Come in. Covered. On your way. Up. Go. Tap. Open the door, get in, don't worry about your doors, just get in, put it in gear, let the door go by itself. There you go, boom.